Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno10 Pro, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So, to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen. And swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Now, on one of the pages, we should have our screen recording toggle. If it's not on the first page, you can swipe to the left. This will show you the second page, where the toggle is located for me, which you can see it right over here. So once you see it, you can simply tap on it. First time around, it will bring up a couple things that you need to allow. So allow screen recorder to send you notifications for some stupid reason, whatever. Okay, allow screen recorder to make and manage phone calls. I believe this is kind of counterintuitive. What it wants actually is access to microphone, and yeah, so we're gonna allow that. Anyway, from here, once you toggle it on, this from now on will appear all the time whenever you press on it. So just to kind of show this, we won't have that pop up anymore. It's just automatically going to show up with this overlay right here. And the overlay has a couple options. So number one, we have the record button. So this will start recording and pause it while it's recording. We have then the two sound recordings. If you tap on either one of those, it will bring up this little extension right here, letting you know that by default it's toggled on to record system sound. You can also add microphone to that recording, or just swap them out as well. So there we go. Now I don't want to record any audio, so I'm gonna turn off both of them. And then the last option is just a close option, which will change into finish recording option once you're recording. So anyway, I'm gonna now tap on the record button. It will start a counter right here, and as you can see, we don't have an X anymore. We have the check mark to save our recording. Whatever you will do will be recorded by the device, so obviously just be careful where you put your passwords in and so on. But from there, you can open up apps. I'm gonna show one, which is Netflix. Now the reason I'm showing that one is because Netflix is a little bit of a scammy application when it comes down. So you can see we have a bunch of things visible on the screen, sign in here and whatever, right? Which, once I stop recording, so just check it right there, and navigate to the Photos application right here, just so I can preview the screen recording, you'll be able to see some wonkiness to it. Because apparently, third-party applications have more control over your own device than you do. And you should see that in a second. Now, this kind of function, because it's, I guess, what we can call it, is designed for your own security, for other applications to not be able to see your passwords and just cap like, important things, for instance, like your bank information and so on. But Netflix, on the other hand side, you couldn't give two F's a hoot about what is being recorded, right? And obviously I am the one recording it, but as you've seen, what I get is fully black freaking screen, because for some reason Netflix has the ability to block my screen recorder, therefore has more control over my own device than I do. Fantastic. Now, I'm mentioning this because Netflix isn't necessarily the only application. It's the one that I like to pick on because it comes pre-installed with the device for the most part, on most cases. But any kind of bank applications will do this. Now, those will be a little bit more reasonable, considering they do contain sensitive information, like your personal information, which if you have some kind of scam application that is just kind of copying your screen all the time, you wouldn't want that application to have access to such an information, which is logical, right? But where it doesn't really make sense for your personal safety is Netflix, because it doesn't protect you. If you want to record it, it literally does the exact opposite of it. So just kind of wanted to point that out. So anyway, hopefully you found this video helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.